ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can help you improve your mindset in many ways. It can assist you with writing, research, and problem solving, all while providing you with an unprecedented level of flexibility and convenience. One of the most useful ways to use ChatGPT is to improve your writing skills. Whether you're a professional writer, a student, or simply someone who wants to improve their writing, ChatGPT can help you become a better writer. With its advanced language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can help you write more clearly, concisely, and persuasively. It can also help you avoid common writing mistakes, such as grammar and punctuation errors, and ensure that your writing is free from inaccuracies and inconsistencies. Another way to use ChatGPT to improve your mindset is to use it as a research tool. With its vast knowledge base and advanced information retrieval capabilities, ChatGPT can help you find the information you need quickly and easily. Whether you're working on a research paper, a business proposal, or simply trying to learn something new, this tool can help you find the information you need to succeed. This tool can also be used to improve your problem-solving skills. With its ability to understand and analyze large amounts of data, it can help you identify patterns and trends that would otherwise be difficult to see. This can be especially useful when you're trying to solve a complex problem or make a difficult decision. In conclusion, this tool is a powerful and versatile tool that can help you improve your mindset in many ways. Whether you're looking to improve your writing, research, or problem-solving skills, it can help you achieve your goals. With its advanced language processing capabilities and vast knowledge base, it can help you become a more effective and efficient learner, researcher, and problem solver.